Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to join another team while you are in a team. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Candy Crush Soda, then after tap on team icon on your right. You can join multiple teams by doing this. Here you can see the option of team in the middle, tap on it. Here you can see the option of settings, tap on it. Here what you can do is either leave, tap on leave and join another team, or search, tap on search. Here you can see another teams. Join any of it you want, any of it. I'll join this one. Tap on join, then after tap on already in a team. Do you want to leave your current team to join a new one? Tap on yes, then after. There you go, you have joined a new team. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content by joining us.